Let's start by taking the wheel off, 19mm socket, take off all 5 of your lug nuts. And remove the wheel. I'm gonna go up here and there's 2 10mm bolts they have to take off, 1 on each side. There's one of them. The other side is right here. Okay, there's the second. Now on the bottom, you'll see this 15mm bolt. Remove that, but hold the shock, otherwise it'll fall down as the bolt comes out. Remove the bolt and pull the shock straight down. I'm going to try with a 13mm socket to just take this nut off. It might not work. I might have to hold the shaft, but I'll give this a shot. Oh, looks like it did work. If this doesn't work for you, it's most likely because it's spinning this whole thing, in which case use some locking pliers, hold on to the shaft, and then use a wrench and just wrench the nut off. But this came off for me. Then take your strut mount at the top, put it on, and use the nut that was supplied with the shock. Let's snug it up. Okay, that's tight. Push it up, or guide it up, I guess, through the hole. And then, as you're holding it up there, try to line up the bolt hole. Put the bolt through. Right there, start it on. Let's bottom it out and then torque it to 85 foot-pounds. Perfect. Try to line up the top, and then with my socket I'm going to guide my bolt in. Start it in. Okay, now it's started. Start in the other one, then we'll snug them up, and then torque them to 18 foot-pounds for these. That's one. And that's 2. Perfect. Let's get the wheel back on. Start on all of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 100 foot-pounds.